Monsters in the Sysmite. It's 10 o'clock. What the heck? Good morning, brown monsters and Sysmites. This is a new day. The TV's on, as you can hear. But yes, today we'll be doing another weird video-ish. Today I'm gonna do Russian roulette with my strong arm. As you can see. Wait. As you can see. First I gotta get one bullet left in here. I gotta have one bullet in here. See? One bullet. What I'm gonna do is, every time I shoot and it doesn't kill me, I guess, I'm gonna add one more bullet, alright? Since I only have 5 bullets, I lost one. I don't know where it went. But after this video, I'm gonna find it. But yeah, let's get on with it. Should I hold on yet? Yeah. Let's shoot myself in the mouth. Ah! God damn it, I can't find the bullets. Where's the bullet go? God damn it, bullet. Shit. Yep, I can't find that bullet. Looks like I'm only doing 4 bullets. 4 bullets. See that bullet in the camera? Yeah, I got it. Go ahead. But first, there's something else I have to do. Titty dance, titty. No, I'm just kidding. Look at that. Would you look at that? Look at that. Alright. Back to the Russian roulette. DC universe, that Joker movie years ago, he used to pull the trigger and the flag came out and said bang, and then he pulls that ring on there. Boom! He's like, let's get on! Three bullets in the hammer. Those doors. And as you've noticed, I don't have the headphones on, so that's just gonna make my tablet fall. I'm going to die. Alright, since Thursday I'm gonna take off my mask. I'll just show you a piece of my face. See that? Let me get you a better look. See that? That is my mouth. I'll see you, bro, mice and sis mice. in the next video. Peace out. Yeah, I'm sorry.